Welcome back to the Crypto for Freedom YouTube channel, where we talk all about how to build wealth in the cryptocurrency markets. Today, we're talking about Dogecoin. Is Dogecoin getting ready to go into a bear market, or are we getting ready to see a new paradigm of money? Put your thoughts down in the comments down below. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe, share the link with your friends, and comment on the videos to engage. Helps with the algorithm. I appreciate everybody for being here. Zooming into the 4-hour chart, it still looks like Dogecoin is trying to retest this breakout point where initially it found resistance, 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 and then finally broke out of resistance. And now it's coming down to back test that resistance, flip that into support to hopefully move on up back into our green box to the top. If Bitcoin doesn't hold the 50-week moving average, then and ends up coming back down here, breaking this uptrend, maybe comes down to try to find support here, then yeah, Dogecoin's going to dump if that happens. Then we can make this trend line here. But what I think is going to happen is I think Bitcoin's going to hold this trend line, this red trend line here, come up to this trend line as resistance, get rejected initially, maybe come back down, head back up, finally break out, back test, and then come up and make our blow off top. I'm not really sure how high we're going to go this cycle. I'm thinking my price target was about 180K, but you never know. We could go to anywhere from 180K to 500K for Bitcoin. And if that ends up happening, Dogecoin is going to go to the moon, baby. So that's what we're kind of looking for right now. We want to see that new paradigm of money, you guys. We want to see Dogecoin go to the moon and not come back. All right. So, yeah, let's see it come up here. Oh, snap. That'd be crazy, wouldn't it? $4? That'd be insane. If I take a bars pattern from the first cycle and drag it out over here and move it forward where we currently are, you can see that time really is running out. I think we could deviate a little bit longer than expected, but I think we got to get moving soon. If we look at Bitcoin again, this red line on the right, I drew to signify the top of the market based on another bars pattern. Based on bars pattern from the 2017 high to the 2021 high. Drag that out. And that's how I got that red line. So I think that's going to be the end of the cycle. I still believe in the 4-year cycles. I think the trend's your friend till the end. And right now the trend, although we're in a local downtrend, I think that the macro trend is still to the upside. And we could be seeing a lot higher prices for Bitcoin and for Dogecoin. So if you guys are invested, I want you to make sure you have an emergency fund on the sideline. That way you can protect your investments in case of more downside. And I want you to have a constant stream of income coming in to make sure you can continue to buy the dip, stack your emergency fund, and have plenty of cash to live on. Now, I really do think that something special is about to happen by around October, but we really got to start moving up soon to get up there. So in the last bull run, we saw a 93% retracement. In the bull run before that, we saw a 94% retracement. If you count the COVID crash, 93% again. So depending on how high we come, we'll probably still be seeing a 93% correction. I don't know if we're going to go quite up to $5, but I think we could get up to $2 to $3. Now, if we come up to $3 into this green box, the bottom of this green box, that means we'd have to see a retracement all the way back down to 20 cents from $3, which would actually make sense if that came back down to retest this yellow box. Wouldn't it be crazy if Dogecoin just blasted off way higher than anybody thinks? Wouldn't it be crazy if we actually just did a big move like this, where it went up 11,000% from the breakout? Where would that actually put Dogecoin if we did that? Let's see. Let's take measurement tool. An 11,000% gain, 10,000% gain would be a $16 Dogecoin. So if we saw a $16 Dogecoin and we got a 90% retracement from there, 93% would bring us down to $1. And I mean, that'd be a pretty crazy bull run, you guys. That'd be like, oh my God. That'd be like, holy crap. Dogecoin at 16 bucks. Guess we're going to have to wait and see what happens, you guys. Put your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know what kind of price targets you guys have for Dogecoin this cycle. Now, if you guys want to support the channel, you can hit up the little QR code next to my face down there to send a tip directly in Bitcoin to my Bitcoin address. Thank you guys so much. If you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that little thumbs up for the bell to help with the algorithm, help us grow out here. And thanks for joining us at Crypto for Freedom, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace!